3:06. We know that Clarksville police are searching for a semi-truck driver right now after a case of road rage on I-24. Police say it happened between two semi-trucks. One was driven by a man, one by a woman. Police say the man sideswiped the woman's truck and then ran her off into the road. Look at this. She crossed into oncoming traffic, thankfully did not hit anyone, and ended up near some trees off the side of the interstate. The man did not stop. His semi-truck will have damage on the right side of the trailer. If you're driving by or think you spotted him, Clarksville police want you to call 911. If you know where he is, maybe you see him. The on-ramp is exit 8 off I-24 in Clarksville. We know that that will be closed while crews work to haul that semi-truck away from the crash scene.
Accident avoidance is my goal. Please subscribe so you don't miss anything.
This car has to be terrified to know that this truck is so close behind him and not give him any room, basically, to breathe. I cannot figure out why this tractor trailer has to be so close. Getting the packages to the warehouse on time. That's why they're tailgating. My goodness, back up a little bit, buddy. You know you're wrong. You're too doggone close. Thanks for moving.